Hello everyone, in this video I will share with you how to change aspect ratio in Filmora. Watch this video until the end, pay attention to what I click on this video. I will add a video on Filmora to be used as an example in this video. There are two ways to change the aspect ratio in Filmora. First, click File, then click Project Settings. Please select the aspect ratio you want. The second way, click this icon, then change the project aspect ratio, then you can adjust the aspect ratio that you want. Okay guys. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to click subscribe and press the bell button so you get notifications of the latest videos from this channel.